Hello, and welcome to our lesson on misuse and abuse cases in software security. Today, we'll be covering how to develop misuse and abuse cases, understand the Security Requirements Traceability Matrix, and ensure that security requirements flow down to suppliers and providers. First, let's talk about misuse and abuse cases. These are essentially the opposite of use cases. While use cases show how a system should behave under normal conditions, misuse cases illustrate what should not happen. These cases are crucial for conveying security requirements to developers and testers, making sure they are aware of potential security issues that need to be mitigated. In a typical misuse case, we might deal with unauthorized users, which can include authenticated users acting beyond their permissions, such as internal workers or external attackers. For example, an internal user with administrative privileges might create a new payee in an online account management system, enabling unauthorized transactions. To mitigate this, we could use an out-of-band mechanism like email confirmations for new payees. Misuse cases are developed during the requirements phase through brainstorming sessions involving both developers and security personnel. This helps identify potential ways to abuse software functionality. These cases facilitate communication among designers, developers, and testers, ensuring potential security holes are managed proactively. They present commonly known attack scenarios, which trigger specific test scenarios to address known weaknesses before deployment. Next, let's move on to the Requirements Traceability Matrix, or RTM. The RTM is a grid that helps track and manage requirements and implementation details. It documents the relationships between security requirements, controls, and test or verification efforts. For instance, an RTM might include predefined sets of requirements for infrastructure, security, and data sources, ensuring that critical requirements are not overlooked. It aids in use case construction and ensures comprehensive testing coverage. Now, let's discuss software acquisition. This can involve purchasing commercial off-the-shelf COTS software, which is readily available for purchase and integration, or government off-the-shelf GOTS software, developed specifically for government use. When deciding whether to build or buy software, we need to evaluate factors like cost, fit with existing processes, and proprietary information. Often, a combination of purchased and custom-built elements is used. Outsourcing is another option for software development. It can reduce costs but introduces management challenges, such as geographic separation and complexity in coordination. Successful outsourcing requires a thorough understanding of the associated costs and benefits. Contractual terms and service level agreements are crucial for establishing expectations with suppliers. These terms should include references to security controls or standards expected from suppliers. Service level agreements can specify acceptance criteria for software before integration. Finally, let's talk about the importance of ensuring security requirements flow down to suppliers and providers. Software often includes components from various suppliers, introducing dependencies and potential vulnerabilities. The concept of a software bill of materials, or SBOM, acts like a nutrition label, detailing the components within software to highlight potential security exposures. In summary, we've explored the development and application of misuse and abuse cases, the function of the Requirements Traceability Matrix, and the importance of clear contractual terms and security requirements for suppliers. These concepts are essential for managing security throughout the software development lifecycle and ensuring robust, secure software systems. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Leston. Join us on this educational adventure and be the first to know about our latest videos.